Hey Divi Nation, thanks for dropping by our documentation to learn how exactly you add a custom logo to your Divi website. I promise you it is super easy and we're going to show you how to do it right now.
In this video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to add your own custom logo to your Divi theme. By default, Divi provides a stand-in logo in the top left of your website. This is contained within the header, right next to your navigation bar. You can define your own logo image from within the Divi theme options page. You can find this page from your WordPress dashboard. So if I navigate to my WordPress dashboard, you can go to Divi theme options here. And once that loads, you'll see under your general tab, under your Divi theme options, your first option here is logo. This is where you would upload your own custom logo image. Click upload. This will bring up your media library. At this point, you can go ahead and drag in your new logo and then click this Set as Logo button at the bottom right. Save your changes. And then you can go check out the results on the live site. And it's that easy. At this point, if you find that your logo doesn't look quite right, or it's not big enough, or it needs to be adjusted in some way, you would need to go to your theme customizer to make those adjustments. So navigate to your WordPress dashboard, and then go to Divi Theme Customizer. Once the Theme Customizer loads, go ahead and navigate to this section called Header and Navigation, and then to your primary menu bar here. Now, before I make the adjustments, I'm going to go back one level, and just to remind you that your header format can be changed in this setting here under header style. The default is what you see here with the logo aligned to the left and your navigation bar to the right. But you can go ahead and make a change here to have your logo placed in the center in different places. So be aware of that before you make additional changes to your logo. Once you've settled on a header style, you'll go back to your primary menu bar settings, and then you can adjust the settings for your menu height and logo max height here. Roughly, the default size of the logo image is about 120 by 40 pixels. And that's how easy it is to add a logo to your Divi theme.